Hello YouTubers, this is Jim with Tennessee Farm. I'm going to give you a garden update. We'll just give you a Tennessee Farm update. How about that? We'll try to make this as brief as possible. We're looking at some cantaloupes right here growing through our fabric, so we didn't have to worry about the weeds. We've got some pumpkins growing right here, and just got through putting a little water on them because I'm going to tell you we have had a drought here, and I hate to say anything about it because last year when I said that, it rained for 3 weeks. So sunflowers down there for the chickens. That's black oil sunflower seeds, real easy to grow. Those will be harvested for the chickens later on. Let's go through and look at what else we have going on. Let's see, here we have some sugar baby watermelons and some crimson watermelons right here. Okay, and right here we have some watermelons as well, Jubilees. They are doing great already. There's one as big as a football already right there. Plenty more of them all through there, so hopefully when my son's here in July, we might have a watermelon by then. We'll see. Plenty of them. They just might not be quite ripe, but that one is looking good. Quite a few of them. We got sweet corn looking good here. A little baby watermelon and another big one right there. Plenty of watermelons. Beans are doing absolutely great. We're growing some corn over here, just some field corn for the chickens as well. Our pollinator flowers are doing great. Hope all my sisters are doing good. They're into all the flowers and gardening, so there you go. I got butterflies, I got hummingbirds, we got everything out here right now. Okra's doing good. Okra is really a hot weather plant. You can see I'm starting to produce some right there now, and they are really kicking in with the heat. Plenty of tomatoes, just harvested. Plenty of squash and zucchini, and everything's doing good. Fighting squash bugs still. It's a non-stop battle, but you know, if you can keep them at bay, I haven't had that many problems with them. Had some fungus issues as well, but taking care of all of it and getting plenty harvested. Lots of squash. Tomatoes will be coming up soon. Had lots of pickles, lots of green beans. Well, they're not pickles yet. How about cucumbers? Lots of green beans. Sweet potatoes over there are doing good, and on our trellis we've got peas and some delicata squash and some peas over there growing on that trellis as well. Let's walk around and see what else we have. I've really been enjoying this outdoor shower. It is awesome. Check out our videos on that. We added an extra wand inside there, so we got 2 wands, the big rain head, and it's just nice. You can see it's wet in there. I use it more than I do any shower inside. As most of you know, we just harvested some elephant garlic in this area, so got some tomatoes growing here, some carrots, some peppers. Kale is playing out right now. That's a walnut tree that I transplanted into that pot that was in the way, and more tomatoes and some potatoes that just kind of did their own thing down there. Let's walk around, see what else we see. These are all just cedar logs from out in the woods here. Got some more squash, some little tomatoes that are going to be transplanted, some more squash, a pepper plant. Let's go check on the chickens. All right, we've got Sherlock Holmes right here. We got Sam Spade and Kojak. It is a hot day, and making sure they've got plenty of water and cool breeze coming through every once in a while. There you go. Let's go check everyone else out. Hey, okay. Well, thank you there. I appreciate that, Axel. That was Axel Foley. We have, let's see, that is Cagney. We have Kiki. Kiki, say hello to, there you go. Come here, girl. Come here. Say hello to Kelsey down in Fairhope. And there's Jen. They're pecking on a cucumber. They had some cucumbers this morning. There's Minnie over there right behind Cagney. She's pecking on the cucumber. And there's Mr. Chance back there. He's enjoying life a whole lot right now. Got his own little crew. Let's go check on the south coop. All right, these girls have just had more cucumbers. We got Emerald. She's kind of scratching out her own dirt bath over there. She's been real broody here lately, but she's trying to come out of it. There's Mr. Dick Tracy. We got all the other girls here. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Pretty girl. All right, let's go check out the southeast coop. It's been extremely hot, so it's important to make sure you keep your chickens cool. They can handle the cold weather a whole lot better than they can the extreme hot weather. Columbo said that's right. So this is Columbo, Freckles, and Ellie Mae. Say hello to Neil and Kay over in Brookwood, Alabama, Tuscaloosa County. And make sure they've got fresh water at all times. And I also give mine some of the larger cucumbers that I definitely miss from time to time. So they've been hollowing out cucumbers already today. All right, this is the last area of the garden. This is a little planter here that planted some carrots in. There's some green beans. I mainly planted those for Jack. I knew he'd be getting them from the other side. So Jack's been eating plenty of green beans. We've got our carrots growing as well in here. There's a couple other things, but that's mainly it. Been harvesting quite a bit and eating what we grow, and that way we know what we're eating. So if you have any questions or any comments, any suggestions, anything like that that might help us here at Tennessee Farm or help others out there, please let us know. We appreciate you watching. Tennessee Farm out.